Group. There's new Dinagyang. Dinagyang.
Iba yung akala ko
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 126th Philippine Independence Day celebration, organized by Philippine Embassy Belgium. And now, as we begin the program, we are honored to present to you our hosts, none other than Ophelia Sina
today as we celebrate the commemoration of the 126th Independence Friendship Day. On behalf of the Kaangayan Multicultural Club, we would like to extend a warm welcome to all of our guests who has taken time, their busy schedule to be with us today.
Yes. So this year's Independence Day celebration is especially significant as we are not only commemorating the sacrifices of our freedom, but also the resilience and spirit of our nation in the face of unprecedented challenges.
This celebration will feature a variety of patriotic performances, including songs, dances, and well, a fashion show, showcasing our rich cultural heritage and diverse talent.
And before anything else, I would like to mention the group who made the parade. And they are from the Kulturang Pinoy Belgium. Yes. Kaangayan Multicultural Club. Knights of Rizal. Las Damas. Pag-ibig Choir. And Stylish Cordillera. Ayan sila. So ladies and gentlemen, before we go on to our program, we would like to invite the head of Kaangayan Multicultural Club, which is Ate Aileen. Ate Aileen? No? Ikaw? I beg your pardon. So, on this part of the program, I would like to call on Mr. First of all, the mayor of Denze itself. Can we call on Mayor Jan Vermeulen, please? Is he around? Oh, okay. So in this case, I would like to call Mr. Ronnie De Blair, our Philippine consulate. So Ronnie, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ronnie De Blair, our Philippine consulate. Please give him a round of applause. Thank you.
Magandang hapon sa lahat. Welcome to Denze. Welcome to this festivities. Later, we will have the mayor of Denze who will welcome you all, but I think he's not present yet. And also the master is on his way. So please enjoy the food already and have some drinks. And then at 2 o'clock we will start our concert program. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you, Vincent. So, i-ano lang natin ito, correction lang po natin. Pasalamatan po natin ang mga tao na nag-organize ng festivity nito. Unang-una po ang Pambursa, ang Kaangayan Multicultural Group, at syempre ang Kulturang Pinoy sa Belgium.
Yes, everyone who organized this event.
Maraming
Please
salamat
give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Kanino yan? Nalaglag.
Ay, hindi ko alam sino. Asti, bawin ko. Ay, man.
Alright. How are you all doing, everybody? Is everybody okay? Kumain na po ba tayong lahat ng tanghalian? Wala pa? Wala pa?
So, yeah. For a while, no, we will let them have their
Picnic.
okay?
Yeah, lunch
And
muna.
our official program will start
In about
2 o'clock.
35 minutes, we will start the official program.
Official program po natin. Ayan, nakikita niyo po sa harap, of course, ang ating magagandang dilag.
Ang magagandang dilag.
Yes. Okay, so lunchtime muna, lunchtime. Las Damas. Yes. Magagandang Las Damas.
So ladies and gentlemen, you may now eat. Go and look for food on respective booths. Supportahan po natin sila. And we'll see you soon in 35 minutes, no, ate?
Yes, and please stand by. The Symphony Band will perform. So, salamat po sa mga followers na nandito, no? Followers ng Symphony Band. Thank you so much for coming today. Of course, marami tayong inihandang program para sa kanila, right?
Marami tayong inihandang program. So, let it be a surprise.
When we need to help Filipinos, it's always good that we have help from governments. And the best ones. Thank you. The next one I would like to call on stage is Luis Estrada from Vivas. And I wish you all the best back in the field. Don't think that you can hide from me, because I will find you there. And I will also present you the president.
Thank you. Thank you po ulit.
Now we will move on.
And move on na po tayo sa ating susunod na performers. Ito po.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Kulturang Pinoy sa bago